Maraming pagtitipon ang inaasahan ngayon, paparating na ang holiday season. Pero ayon sa isang bagong survey mula Leger, maraming Canadians layon daw mag-ingat sa mga paksang pag-uusapan. Narito ang report.
As different topics come about during holiday gatherings, we want to be aware that everybody has a different perspective.
Sa pagdami ng mga pagtitipon o holiday parties, kalahati ng Canadians na na-survey kamakailan ng Leger nagsabing mag-iingat sila sa pakikipag-usap sa mga kaibigan at ilang miyembro ng pamilya para hindi makapagsimula ng away o debate sa mga party.
There's a lot of polarizing things within the news and that's going around the world, and lots of people have a lot of different opinions based on their age, their experiences, their consumption of media, social media or traditional media.
Ayon sa poll ng higit 1,000 Canadian, ang politika, pera at immigration ang tatlong topics of conversation na maaaring mauwi sa argumento.
Politics determines a lot of how we are able to live our lives, how we're able to enter a country, leave a country, and just the inner workings of our taxes and everything like that. Money is important to everybody, especially in moments of economic uncertainty, which is what we've been facing the past couple of months, and of course immigration, especially for families of diasporic cultures, the Philippines in particular. We wouldn't be here in Canada if it wasn't for various immigration policies.
Isa sa bawat 4 na Canadians may plano raw palitan ang topic of discussion kapag naririnig nila ang mga usapang ito sa mga pagtitipon.
You can simply say, I value what you're saying, or I can see that you are really affected by this, but maybe I don't know enough about the topic to discuss it with you, or I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed and I want to make sure that we can keep the conversation respectful.
22% ng mga edad 55 pataas o mga senior naniniwalang ang worldviews at relihiyon ang mga pinaka-controversial na topics, para naman sa 23% ng mga Gen Z o millennial, social media at relationships ang pinaka-controversial pag-usapan.
Give them some grace, and hopefully they give you some grace as well. And that's what the holiday season is about as well, that we are here to offer each other grace, kindness, and love during this holiday season.